Hey guys, what's up? Kyle from Cause 3D here, and today we are announcing that we will be putting the Shoretrooper on our Etsy store. We have already 3D printed it in a kit form, so if you want to go over to Etsy and order yours now, if it's out of stock, make sure you send us a message because we have gotten a huge response on this from our viewers, and we're already catching up on what we would consider back orders, but enough of you asked for it, so we're getting them out. We're offering the kit here, as you can see in the parts. It's a super easy kit to put together. We do have a build video if you're just seeing this for the first time on YouTube, where I went through and built it and finished it. So you've got a guide to go along with you. Everything you see here comes with it, and we'll see you in the next video. Make sure you like and subscribe and run over and grab one of these off of our Etsy store. We'll see you.